Okay, in this problem we first factor out the GCF. And I notice that these both have an x squared in common. So I can factor that out. And that gives us 9x squared minus 29. You think of this as, you picture you got 4 x's on a table. Somebody comes and takes 2 of your x's, that leaves you 2 x's. Here we had 2 x's, we took both of them away, so there's no x's left. Now at this point, we're going to set each factor equal to 0. So I'll set x squared equal to 0, and I'll set 9x squared minus 29 equal to 0. Now that squared we can just drop, and that gives us x equals 0. Now over here, we're going to get the squared by itself. So I'm going to take the negative 29 to the right side, becomes a positive 29. And then I'll divide both sides by 9. Those 9's cancel and gives us x squared is equal to 29 over 9. Now this is going to be the square root property. Square root property is whenever you have something squared equal to something else, you can apply this. Square root property says you drop your squared, and you put a plus or minus square root on the other side. Now when we're talking about fractions and radicals, we can't have a fraction inside of a radical. So let's split this up. We've got a property that says we can put a square root on top and put a square root on the bottom. Now I believe 29 is prime, so we can't do anything with it. So we leave it alone, but square root of 9 is equal to 3. So then our answers will be x is equal to negative square root of 29 over 3, 0, and positive square root of 29 over 3.